So, you want to run Facebook ads for GetResponse? Smart move. Email marketing and paid ads can be a powerful combo. But there's a catch. If you set this up the wrong way, you'll waste money and get disappointing results. Stick with me, because I'll walk you through exactly how to do it. Plus, I'll show you a better alternative that gives you more control and a longer free trial. First, let's link GetResponse with Facebook. Inside GetResponse, go to Integrations, find Facebook ads, and connect your account. This lets you create campaigns directly inside GetResponse, but here's the issue. It's oversimplified. You get basic targeting, but no deep audience insights. The testing is limited, and you're locked into GetResponse's tracking system, which isn't as precise as Facebook's own tools. Next, targeting. This is where most people burn their budget. GetResponse lets you run ads to your email list, but it lacks robust lookalike audience options compared to Facebook Ads Manager. If you really want high-quality leads, you should create your ads inside Facebook's Business Manager and only use GetResponse for follow-ups. Now, the ad itself. If you use GetResponse's built-in ad creator, your options are limited. You can't fully customize placements, and dynamic ads don't work as well. If you're serious about performance, it's better to design ads in Facebook's Ad Manager, use custom audiences from your GetResponse list, and then drive traffic to a well-optimized landing page, preferably not one made with GetResponse's builder, because it's known for slow load times and poor mobile optimization. The next issue is tracking. GetResponse gives you basic conversion tracking, but if you're spending real money on ads, you need Facebook Pixel and Conversion API set up properly. The problem? GetResponse's built-in Pixel integration isn't always reliable, and you'll get better data accuracy by setting it up manually inside Facebook Events Manager. Now, here's the better way to do this. Instead of running ads directly in GetResponse, use a more flexible platform that gives you advanced targeting, better automation, and deeper analytics. That's why I recommend Alternative Software. It's built for performance marketers, has better ad tracking, and offers a much longer free trial than GetResponse. I've linked the best free trial below, including exclusive benefits only available through our link. Plus, I've added a few other great alternatives depending on your budget and goals. Check them out now before you start running ads, because picking the right tool can be the difference between wasting money and scaling profitably.